Hello everyone. In this episode, I will demonstrate how to automate data extraction from the Shopee. Shopee is a major Southeast Asian e-commerce platform offering products and services through its app and website. Let's address the main issue. When you try to use web automation tools and open any page, it redirects you to the login page. Even if you create an account, Shopee still restricts what you can do with automation. This makes it challenging to scrape or interact with the site programmatically. Surfsky is a tool that enables us to overcome this challenge. Let's run a script that opens pages in sequence, shows some HTML, and takes screenshots to confirm content loads correctly. The first link has loaded successfully, and I will show you other screenshots as the pages load. Surfsky's anti-fingerprinting technology prevents bot detection, manages profiles efficiently, and creates genuine digital identities. This enables secure multi-accounting while minimizing detection risks. The browser executing the current script has all the necessary OS and browser spoofing techniques in place. When working with Shopee, it is critical to ensure authentic browser settings that correspond to the platform's specific location. Also, high-quality proxies are essential. Surfsky offers both custom and built-in proxy options. Our proxies provide a large pool of IPs, including those optimized for Shopee. Excellent. All links have been successfully executed and the script has completed its work. As you've seen, Surfsky effectively handles data retrieval from Shopee, successfully bypassing restrictions and blocks. Our solution offers high-quality performance and allows for easy management of multiple profiles. This enables you to gather necessary information from Shopee without any obstacles. If you have any questions or would like to try our product, please contact us using the form on our website. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.